Hello guys, welcome to Geospatial Pro. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and like this video. In this video, you are going to learn how to create elevation map in QGIS. Before knowing how to create elevation map, I'd like to talk about a little about the source of the elevation map, which we know as your digital elevation data. Your digital elevation model is data model, which is your DM data, is what you use to generate your elevation map and other terrain analysis data. So your digital elevation model is a representation of the earth surface elevation. So from this you can get your elevation of your study area. So you can read more about this, you can know the benefit of your digital elevation model. And if you have not downloaded your digital elevation model, you can watch our video on how to download digital elevation model of 12.5 resolution. In the past, people have been using 30-meter resolution, but in this video, you learn how to download 12.5 resolution. That is, the lower the resolution, the higher the study or the visibility of the earth surface. So how it works is we have very details about the source of your data. In this case, we are using Spatial DM dataset. Then the SRMT dataset is of 30-meter resolution, but this is of 20.5 resolution, which make more clearer or details of the earth surface compared to the 30-meter resolution. Then we have different types of digital elevation model, and we have different things we can generate from your digital elevation model. In this case, we are going to be carrying out your elevation map, which shows the height and low of the earth surface. And we can also do more things. You can also watch our video or other video on how to carry out slope and other aspects of your digital elevation map. So now we are going to go back to our QGIS. And in the last video, we also display our digital elevation model and we also clip it out. You can also check our video on how to do that. So in this case, I will save this as, I'll export and resave as. So I can easily resave this as my elevation map. Then I can locate to my preferred location. So I have this elevation map and click on save and click on OK. So the important thing about your elevation map and your digital elevation model is that you need to make sure the resolution of your or the projection of your shapefile and the digital elevation model is of accurate. The most important one is your digital elevation model must be projected. If you right click and go to properties and go to information and you scroll down, if you can see if your pixels is exactly the same thing, and you can see when you have your projector side, which is the projected, when you have your CRS, which is projected, your data is on the point, is accurate in this way. But if you're having different value aside the pixels that you downloaded, that means your data is wrongly projected. Then in some cases, your data might not be projected. You need to make sure that it is projected. You can watch other video on how it is or how to convert it into projection. So the next thing as we have it here now is to right click on this, and go to properties and go to symbology and select this single band pseudo color. So once you select it, you can make this to be discrete. You can change this or leave it as this. Majority of the study used to use this format, and you can also change the mode to equal to make it show equality. You can increase the number of classes, that is the number of legends color you'll be seeing. We can keep it as 5 as the normal basic. Then we can have all of these being arranged to your preferences. Then you can scroll down and click on OK or apply. So once you click on apply, you see the legend bar appearing here. So you can click on OK and we can see our data, our elevation map as this, where we have the red indicating, if you can see the red is indicating the lowest and the blue is indicating the highest. You can restructure this by going back to your properties and click on this and click on invert color. So if you invert the color, that means The blue is going to be the lowest, and the red is going to be the highest. You can click on apply. You can have the green as the lowest, the red as the highest. So we can click on OK. As you can see, this is our elevation. That is, in my study area, the red indicates 425-meter elevation or altitude. So this is how you create elevation. You can go further and design your map or elevation map in your study area, or you can check our video on how to design your shapefile and other of your study area. You can like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.